Ciao! Welcome to Potence War, and today we will look at these Wargaming plastic Italian tanks. So I have there these double box, which you can build either as Italian Carro Armato medium tank or as a Semovente tank destroyer. Also, as usual with the modern boxes, you will also get the Bolt Acton stat cards, decals, and damage markers. Interesting on this kit that this is option to build basically two different tanks, and the Semovente also have these interior parts. So, markers with MDF bases. Leaflet for Italy and other Warlord games. Warlord game ranges. And there are decals, Italians, German markings for late war, and there are even some Australian markings for captured tanks, which we have photos from African campaign, and of course the cards with unit stats and options. That's cool new features with Warlord do couple of years now. And so there is this leaflet how to build the tanks with its different variations. Looks like it's, well, pretty detailed. To be honest, I didn't bought any Warlord tanks for a couple of years, because my German Bolt Acton army was built basically somewhere in 2013, back in the first edition, and now I have something like 4,000 Germans in full paint, so I didn't buy anything new for a while, and if that was basically some other parties or something, my friends 3D printed for me. So it's nice to see that the Warlord pimp up the game after the years, and now you have these unit cards and damage markers and really detailed leaflet. I remember my Panzer IV leaflet, which was something like 2 pages, and for the Hanomag half track, this was some half-page manual how to build it. So, and now the most important part, the sprue itself. Oh, pretty nice details on suspension. It's the old school design tank. There is rivets on the armor, which are sculpted. It's nice. Lots of details. There is the gun for Semovente, as you can see, it has all those details for the interior. Trunks. And the rest. Oh. It even has the molded details for the bottom of the tanks. This is basically useful, but nice detail. Many of mini bits. seats for the interior of the Semovente. Nice. Pintle mounted gun. Oh, trusty shovel and other entrenching tools. Mud trucks. 2 heads for commander. One in helmet. A drawing cap. And 2 bodies. One for the turret and one standing for the Semovente. And the Semovente commander has these binoculars. And there are also some ammunition racks for the inside of Semovente. Oh. Nice looking spruce. I will take a look. Yeah, there are some pictures how the interior looks like. You can see there are attention to detail for parts you will basically never be able to see once the model is glued and used on the table, but it's nice that Warlord did up the game for their kids and are doing this basically unnecessary bits for the Wargaming piece. Really nice looking. I'm looking forward to build it and paint it because it really looks like interesting kit with some other challenges with the interior. So if you are wanting to buy one, I hope this unboxing help you to decide, or at least show you what's inside, which could help you. And if you enjoy it, feel free to like, feel free to leave me your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to see more of my stuff, also feel free to subscribe, and I hope I will see you on the next video. Bye!